Migraine Records, Bougie Boy Promotion.
Migraine Records, baby.
Yo, we been doing this way before them, homie. You know what I'm saying? We built this shit from the ground up, you dig? They don't know everything we had to sacrifice to get here.
Y'all don't know what we been through. Yo, talk to him. Talk to him.
Bougie Boy Promotion.
I don't ever wanna struggle, that's why I won't quit it.
That's why I won't quit it. No.
I'ma hustle till I bleed, I must admit it.
I must admit it.
I'ma stack racks on racks to a million.
To a million, you know it.
I'ma rise real high and put on from a city, that's why I get it.
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 Hey.
That's why I get it.
Hey.
That's why I get it.
Hey.
That's why I get it.
That's why I get it.
That's why I get it.
They don't know everything we had to sacrifice to get here. Y'all don't know what we been through. Yo, talk to him. Talk to him.
You ain't never met a nigga like me. My whole team just like me. A bunch of young niggas with a lot of cheese. Levi's nice kicks and a white tee. Still yelling R.I.P. the king, yo. And that's R.I.P. the black boy.
That's why, nigga.
I got the soul of a
You
hustler,
about to
the
see
mind
why
of a
it's
grinder,
called
a
That's
home
Why.
with the trap boys. I've seen more kings than a Mac boy. Got more balls than a bat boy.
I'm back like I ain't never missed. They say they love it when I talk my shit. All I need a couple bands and a bad bitch. Like Halle Berry, play a role, but ain't no acting. I remember charging $5 just to spit a flow. Sick of being broke and money was the antidote. At 13, I started stealing out the corner store. If it wasn't for a meal, I was doing it for the thrills. I used to let my pistol show so they could see it, but I knew I wasn't gonna use it. I was just acting foolish. I was trying to be cool and be some shit that I'm not. I'm not a fighter, I'm a lover. I'm Cool J to the block. So hold your girl close as I propose this toast. Prepare to marry this game in which I cherish the most. A couple niggas made it big, a couple of them still broke. It'll have you question yourself like, what you doing this for? Cause you tired of that 9 to 5, every check you're trying to survive, but people don't feel your pain cause they ain't living the same. And all you ever wish was good, but they don't treat you the same. They ain't living how you living, man, that's hard to explain. Yo, lady steady be bitching, kids steady requesting the newest the kicks out. Now you feeling the doubt. Comparing yourself to friends, you feeling like less a man, cause you can't go and buy your kids what he providing for his. I remember the first time I couldn't provide for mine. No shoes on the first day of school, I damn near cried. I closed my eyes and pressed rewind over my childhood, thinking of all the shit my parents missed so I could smile good. How the fuck could I go and buy myself gear, knowing my kids wearing the same clothes as last year? This shit's a struggle, so don't you tell me I don't fucking hustle. I'm doing this one off the muscle, man, that's worth the rustle, real shit. Freestyle, nigga.
Yeah. I'm ready, that's what I'm talking about. I'm finna start rapping.
These niggas trick.
Yeah, nigga, I'm finna start rapping, nigga, live from the trap. Yeah. From up trap.
I got the birds, huh?
Yeah, I got the birds. We live from the trap.
I'm finna take Cali's spot.